Hi guys, today is Sunday and I know I haven't vlogged in a while, but I am back. I don't know why I'm so blurry. I don't know why, whatever. So right now hubby is making breakfast, so let me show you guys what we're having for breakfast, and then we're just going to eat, and then I'll talk to you guys a little later because I'm going to do a cleaning my microwave video in this vlog, so stay tuned for that. So there's hubby, and here's our breakfast. We made pancakes, hash browns, bacon, and eggs. But I made me some of this. It's just scrambled with a lot of spices. So this is our breakfast. We're going to eat, and then I'll see you guys a little later. Hi guys, I know I haven't vlogged in a while, but here I am. I'm back. I've been going through a lot lately, but it's okay. I really don't want to talk about it right now, but right now we're about to sit down and have dinner, and then a little bit later I will be showing you how I clean my microwave. So yeah, and then also I will be giving you a little tip of how I get rid of my daughter's dandruff whenever the climate here gets dry, because we do live in Colorado and it gets pretty dry in here and pretty cold as well. So I will be showing you a little tip on that, so stay tuned for that. In this vlog I will be showing you all that, and also if I still have a little bit left, if the vlog is not too long, I will be showing you a little clip of an auto show that we went to. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. Right now we're gonna sit down and eat, and I'll see you guys a little later. Hi guys, so today I will be cleaning my microwave right here. As you guys can see, it is pretty dirty. This is how the inside looks right now. Let me zoom you in. So this is how it looks. It is pretty dirty. It's not horribly dirty, but it is dirty. So right now I'm going to show you how I clean it. So first I just remove this. As you guys can see, my kids like to make noodles while we are at work. So this is the end result. They don't clean it. So I'm just gonna soak this in water. And I will be removing this. I'm going to use Spick and Span because it's antibacterial. So I'm just going to spray the whole microwave with this. I'm gonna close it. I'm going to let it soak for about 5 minutes, and then I'm just going to clean it and show you guys the process. So I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. And this is how it looks after. It is pretty clean now. It is very simple to clean the microwave in my opinion. So yeah, there's a little tip of the products that I use to clean my microwave.